This is the Samsung Galaxy Book 4 Edge 15. I love this laptop. It's a Windows on ARM Snapdragon processor. Unfortunately, this doesn't have an actual case. There's no cases you can buy for this laptop. There's vinyls that you have a custom cut, or there is the laptop sleeves. And I've dropped this a couple times now. So what I want to do is actually design a case. So I did a test print here, and it fits in nicely, but it's a loose fit. So I was okay. I can either do a press fit, or better, I can do a clip system. And so I went ahead and designed up a little bit of a ledge here for these clips to try to get them to print. So you can see a little bit of a lip on the clips. It technically does work. I need to do a full print version of this. The problem is this is a 14-inch plus length print. And unless you have a 400 by 400 millimeter print 3D printer, you're going to have to split this up in half. And I really don't want to do that. So luckily, I do have the Creality CR10 S5. This is heavily modified. This is not the original, but this is a 500 by 500 by 500 millimeter print bed. It has the standard upgrade you would do back then, which is a BL Touch with the direct drive conversion. But more importantly, this is running a polypropylene bed, so much lighter than glass. It's fiberglass. And then it's running what you would akin to like a cool plate today from that have really good adhesion for PLA. So I don't even need to heat this bed up to print PLA on top of it because it just sticks so well. And then I have this orange strip here is a silicone bed heater. So this is heated outside of the actual print system. And I have my little control box here. This takes up like a lot of wattage, but this lets me heat up the bed well over 90 degrees. I haven't tried more than that, but I can get 90 degrees all the way across the entire bed. If you don't know, the CR10S5 originally came with only the CR10 heater, so less than half the bed was actually heated. The rest of it was just residual. So you went towards the edges, you couldn't print anything that would stick. Then I removed the original motherboard and opted for an SKR Pico from Big Tree Tech and Orange Pi 03, which this is running a Clipper system. Now the Pico can't run dual Z axis, so I have these linear, the Z axes on their own. This is supposed to be on a belt system, but I found right now I don't have a good way to actually have the pulleys. I found that it works just fine. It does get desynchronized every so often, but I can just do a re-level bed, and the BL Touch does a really good job. So I'm going to go ahead and try to print a full sheet of this, laptop cover.